following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: LaSalle and Livingston. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Livingston County in central Illinois until 6:30 a.m. At 12:41 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the warned area. Radar estimated rainfall totals are between 1 and 2 inches so far, and additional heavy rain is expected. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. The locations most likely to experience flooding in the immediate near term include LaSalle, Oglesby, Cedar Point, and Utica. Northwest Livingston County likely is not experiencing flooding at this time, but is in line for very heavy rainfall over the next 2 or 3 hours. Be especially cautious at night, when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flash flooding is observed, act quickly. Do not enter the water. Turn around and move up to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising.